What is up, guys? Welcome to Celeb Gossip Entertainment, where we bring you the celeb gossip each and every day, honey. If you are not yet a subscriber, please subscribe to this channel because I bring you refreshing new celebrity news each and every day, so you wouldn't want to miss that. Now, in today's video, we are talking about Tirelo. So, for those who don't know, Tirelo is our new celebrity now in South Africa. She is Zes'thembu Mseleku's girlfriend number 2. Zes'thembu is Musa Mseleku's son. Guys, we all know these people. They are the new trend now in South Africa. Okay, they have a show called Izingane Zes'thembu. Now Tirelo decided to show the baby face for the first time, and look at how cute this baby is. So this picture was firstly posted by Tirelo, and then his grandfather Musa Mseleku took the picture and reposted it on Instagram, and he wrote, "I can't wait to have you great young men at home Mzumbe. I need to initiate both traditional cultural values and customs so that you can carry our legacy to generations to come. Singabakho Mseleku." I absolutely love this name. It's so cute and it is so unique. I've never heard of such a name. So all along, Tirelo has been posting her baby, but she was hiding the face. I think maybe she was waiting for the baby to turn 3 months, and so that she can start showing the face, And the comment section, people were saying the baby looks like he's dead. The mouth especially looks like he's dead. And I also see what they're talking about, like the lips of Singabakho Mseleku look like the lips of Zes'thembu Mseleku. Congratulations to Tirelo for giving birth to such a beautiful, healthy baby boy. We wish him many more years to come. That is all I have for today. Please subscribe to the channel.